It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Friday, the 3rd of November. I'm Michael Groff. Generally dry weather this weekend with temperatures right around where we should be for early November, but then a chance of some light rain potentially in here early next week. Temperatures look to be pretty nice, maybe a little bit of a warm up as we go toward the end of the forecast period. So let's discuss 82 degrees, the high in the valley yesterday. That's right about where we should be for this time of year. And outside right now in the valley, under mostly clear skies, we've got 63 degrees to start the day at Sky Harbor Airport here at 5:15 a.m. Dew points at 48, humidity 59%, the winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, upper 50s to middle 60s here in south central Arizona. The water vapor satellite view, ridging to our south, troughing over the Pacific Northwest, a west-southwest flow here, and so that's going to mean periods of high clouds for the weekend. The watch warning map, we've got some winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings extending from the Rockies through the Dakotas and Minnesota. And on the convective outlook, a marginal risk of severe storms parts of Arkansas and Mississippi. And rainfall around here for the next 7 days. Now, the WPC guys don't have a whole lot for us. Some light amounts up to the north and over the eastern parts of Arizona, a few hundredths to a tenth of an inch. Nothing down here, but could we see something? Well, let's talk about it as we delve into the models and see what they have to say. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. We start, as always, with the upper look at 18,000 feet in the atmosphere, ridging to our south, troughing to the north and west. Pretty good west-southwest flow continues here today. Mostly sunny skies down here at the surface this morning. Will become partly cloudy this afternoon, much as we've had in recent days. Highs in the low to mid 80s. Tonight, partly cloudy skies, lows in the upper 50s to middle 60s. Tomorrow, same deal. Partly cloudy skies with a west-southwest flow aloft. Highs low to mid 80s. Same thing on Sunday. I think a few more clouds around. We'll probably say a mix of sun and clouds, probably 50-50. Highs right around the low to mid 80s. Monday, partly sunny. Highs again in the low 80s. Maybe a light shower across northern Arizona, southern California, southern Nevada, but I think we're going to keep the day dry here in the valley. On Tuesday, a bit more substantial amount of moisture comes in here, enough to warrant at least a slight chance of some light rain here in southern Arizona. So we'll say a 10% chance for now, and if we do see anything at all, the key word here is light, and not everybody's going to see anything. I'd say the day is probably mostly cloudy, and highs upper 70s to low 80s. Wednesday, the GFS wants to hold on to some scattered showers, especially over the northern and eastern part of the state. Maybe a sprinkle or a light shower here in the valley, but I think that chance is really low. Highs upper 70s to low 80s with a partly cloudy sky. Thursday, the clouds should start to clear out of here as ridging continues to our south and a pretty big trough coming onto the Pacific Northwest coast. There's a 982 millibar low just to the west-southwest of Portland, Oregon. So plenty of rain for Central California on northward, but for us, it's just going to be mostly sunny with highs again in the low 80s. Here's a week from today. This is Friday, the 10th of November. Troughing to our north, ridging to our south. Same deal. A west-northwest flow, though, so I think the clouds will generally be held at bay with highs mostly low to mid 80s. Upper 70s to low 80s as we go out to November 11th. This is Veterans Day. And then here's the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Sunday, November the 12th. Looks like temperatures right about average, upper 70s to low 80s. The sky remains mostly sunny. Of note here, there's some pretty big model disagreement. The European has a broad ridge across the west and temperatures well above average. But I think for now, we're going to go with a persistence forecast and keep temperatures fairly close to seasonal averages. And we see that as we go to the GFS ensemble through the period, keeping it right about where we should be for this time of year, maybe a couple of degrees above average, but temperatures don't look too bad either way, and very little chance of any significant rainfall. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video comes back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there. Have yourselves a great Friday, everybody.